You are not going to want to miss this episode on Really Mary because we're talking about take a stand against domestic violence and a race that we have upcoming in Collier County. Check it out. For this.
Really, Mary?
Hey, it's Mary Bartos with Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty. And boy, I have the delight and the pleasure to introduce my guest today, Jeff Ahren, an attorney or is the attorney for legal aid services of Collier County. Hello, Jeff.
Hi, Mary. It's great to be on the show. Appreciate it.
Well, we're so delighted to have you. You know, we've talked to you in the past about this cool 5K run that's coming up, but we really didn't get into the heart and the, meat and the potatoes of what legal aid does and really how you help people. And how is this domestic violence? What does that look like across the nation?
Yeah, when we talk to folks in the community about domestic violence, unfortunately, domestic violence impacts every zip code, every demographic. No one really, unfortunately, is immune to it by education or training or anything, really. So everybody needs to be aware of what domestic violence is and where they can get resources and help. And we help hundreds and hundreds of survivors each year with our free legal services at Legal Aid, with things like injunctions for protection to keep them safe, get a protective order against somebody abusing them, to helping them with family law issues, custody support, even divorce if that's part of it. Whatever they need, help them with housing issues. We provide a full range of services to help people that are at risk to get them safe, healthy, and stable.
Oh, that's awesome. Free is a big word. How do you do all this for free?
Well, we have very generous donors that are graciously donating to our program. We also operate a lot on grants. We have some wonderful grant partners for domestic violence. One of them is a community development block grant that we get through Collier County, and our local NCEF, Naples Children in Education Foundation, the Naples Winter Wine Festival founders are extremely generous, and they've provided a lot of funding for us to operate our children's unit, which is called Legal Aid for Collier Kids, that helps children who've been abused, neglected, or abandoned, and their non-abusive caregivers, which can include their parents or grandparents or others that are raising them. So a combination of folks that are generous, from grant side to individual donors, and also sponsors to events like our 5K race.
Yeah, which is coming up, which is pretty exciting. Remind us of that date again.
That is Saturday, October 23rd at Sugden Park. And I know you've provided links to the information, but they can find it on our website, collierlegalaid.org.
That's awesome. I just want to hit one last point because I think the numbers are staggering. Let people, let us know what those numbers are. How many women are abused and then how many men?
Well, I think if we want to hit right home here, there have been on an annual basis, over 1,500 criminal offenses reported in Collier County each year that are domestic violence related. Unfortunately, it goes all the way from simple assault and terroristic threats all the way up to serious bodily injury, including, unfortunately, murders that are domestic violence related. So it's a serious problem right here in Collier County, and we're here to help. And I know that we have great community partners that work together with us, including law enforcement and other nonprofits. And our goal is to provide a safety net and make sure that everybody who's at risk and needs help finds it. And if they can't afford an attorney, we're here to help.
I love that. Love what you guys are doing for this horrible, horrible situation. I know Tina Nash, who's one of your run sponsors, said to us the other day, 1 in 3 women and 1 in 7 men. And, you think about that, staggering. So not on a lighter note, we have a run coming up to raise funds to give that free legal aid. And remember, you can donate, you can run, you can walk, you can come out and enjoy the festivities, but just participate, right?
Yes, we're really excited about this race. And again, our founder, Tina Nash, has been wonderful, and she's been a great community leader and champion for the cause. And I'm very grateful to you and this show for helping get the word out. It's an important cause, but it should be a fun event and a fun day.
Absolutely. Great cause, fun. Hey, what else can you have? So, Jeff, again, thank you. My name is Mary Bartos with Bartos Group of Premier Plus Realty, and we look forward to seeing you at this run coming up, but more importantly, understanding what's happening in your community and really taking a stand. Ciao.